Today, we are comparing two heavyweights from Bridgestone, the Alenza AS Ultra and the WeatherPeak. Both are exceptional in their own right, but which one suits your driving needs the best? Direct comparison tests aren't available due to segment differences. Instead, we'll rely on separate consumer report ratings, scored on a scale of 1 to 5, where 5 is the highest. In wet conditions, the Alenza AS Ultra outperforms the WeatherPeak in braking with a score of 3 compared to 2, offering shorter stopping distance. For wet handling, both tyres are evenly matched with a score of 3, ensuring similar levels of control. When it comes to hydroplaning resistance, both tie with a score of 4, showcasing excellent traction in heavy rain. In dry conditions, the Alenza AS Ultra takes the lead with a braking score of 4 compared to WeatherPeak's 3, providing shorter stopping distance and better reliability on dry roads. When it comes to mileage performance, both tyres demonstrate commendable longevity. In real-world tests, both the Alenza AS Ultra and the WeatherPeak achieve an actual mileage of 60,000 miles. In snowy conditions, the WeatherPeak clearly dominates, achieving a perfect score of 5 in snow traction thanks to its 3-peak mountain snowflake certification compared to Alenza's AS Ultra's 4. This makes the WeatherPeak an ideal choice for drivers facing harsh winters. For noise, the Alenza AS Ultra scores higher with a 4, ensuring a quieter ride than the WeatherPeak, which scores 3. However, the WeatherPeak compensates with better ride comfort, scoring 4 versus the Alenza AS Ultra's 3, offering smoother handling on rougher roads. In rolling resistance, the WeatherPeak leads with a score of 4 compared to Alenza AS Ultra's 3, making it more fuel-efficient option for eco-conscious drivers. In summary, the Bridgestone Alenza AS Ultra excels in dry and wet braking and also noise reduction, making it perfect for those who prioritize road silence and summer performance. On the other hand, the Bridgestone WeatherPeak dominates in snow traction, ride comfort, and rolling resistance, making it a versatile all-weather performer.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.